In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix download failed virus detected message on Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the Windows search bar and simply type security. Now click on Windows Security under the best match. So once you click on Windows Security, this window will be opened. So in the Windows Security window, click on the option that is Virus and Threat Protection. Okay, click on Virus and Threat Protection and then simply turn off the real-time protection. Okay, for the real-time protection, switch the button off. Okay, switch the real-time protection and then just try again. The next method is if you are using a browser, just simply open that browser and click on the three dots at the top. Scroll down and click on settings. Then you have to simply click on privacy and security on the left pane. Click on security and simply go to no protection. Click on turn off and just simply try again. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.